As you are beginning to develop your course, you may find yourself not even knowing where to begin. A great way to organize your thoughts is to work with templates. Point Park Online has provided simple and straightforward document templates that will be extremely helpful as you plan your online course. All of our custom templates can be found on the Online Instructor Resource Center in the Course Development folder. To locate the templates, go to your course list in Schoology and access the Online Instructor Resource Center. Then click the Course Development folder and scroll down and select Course Development Templates. There you will find the templates provided by Point Park Online available for download, including our syllabus templates for 8 and 15-week courses, module maps, getting started, rubrics, Word documents, and PowerPoints. There are many benefits to using course templates when building your content. Not only do these documents provide a standard structure to organize materials, but our templates are built to follow the standards put forth by Quality Matters. If you have any questions on templates and where to find them, feel free to email us at onlinesupport@pointpark.edu. Thank you.